a fabulous appetizer for your football game this weekend. These are called ham and cheese sliders. I have Hawaiian bread here, the sweet Hawaiian bread. You can use any kind of rolls. And I have Swiss cheese, and I have the variety pack of the ham and turkey lunch meat, okay? I have butter melting with parsley and granulated garlic. So now I am going to slice the bread. Going to cover it with a little bit of butter. Here we go. So once you put the garlic, butter, and the parsley, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the bottom, just like this. Okay. And I got the ham and turkey lunch meat, and now you don't want to put it laying down perfect. You kind of want it with, kind of put it like this, you know what I mean? So that way they can taste the ham and the turkey mixed together. So I'm going to just keep piling it on. The butter and the Parmesan cheese is gonna give it a really good flavor when you bake it in the oven. I'm gonna bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, actually just until the cheese melts. And you wanna cover it up with foil so the cheese melts in here. Go ahead, keep piling it up. You're probably saying it's a lot of lunch meat. It's not, it's gonna be perfect. So, just like this. Okay, once you have all the lunch meat in here, again, don't lay it down. Make sure you're kind of making it kind of wavy in here or whatever. Pile it on just like this, okay? Once you have it all piled up, then you want the Swiss cheese. And I used, I got the thick, is it the thick one? Oh yes, I got this one, here you go. So it could be super cheesy. And here you go, pile it on just like this. It's really nice and thick, so it'll melt really good and you'll have extra cheese in here. And again, a little bit more Parmesan cheese. So once you add all your lunch meat and all your cheese, you can add any kind of cheese you want, but I love the texture of the Swiss cheese. I'm going to put the top piece of the breads back onto here. Now I'm going to basically use the rest of the butter and the melted butter and coat the top of the bread here. It's gonna give it a really good garlic flavor. I'm gonna cover it with foil, bake it at 400 degrees just until the cheese melts, and then uncover it for 5 minutes till the bread gets just a little bit toasted on top. So the ham and turkey sliders are now done. I took them out of the oven, sprinkled a little bit of Parmesan cheese, let them cool off. The Swiss cheese melted perfectly. And I served them with Dijon mustard and mayonnaise in a little tray here. So when the guests come, they can serve themselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. This is the little tray that I served it. I put a little bit of Dijon mustard, a little bit of mayonnaise, so that way you can put a little spoon there and they can serve themselves. It's a great inexpensive appetizer. You can use any kind of lunch meat, so whatever you have in your refrigerator, you can use any kind of cheese as well. It's really being creative with what you have, and make sure you just put enough butter on top. That's what's gonna give it a really, really good taste. But these just came out perfect. So here it is, the ham and cheese. They're so good.